This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 12th of March. This is James Spann. A delightful day across Alabama. Big warm up after a chilly start this morning. We'll be close to 80 by Thursday, and then we'll deal with rain and storms Friday. But many questions linger about the weekend. So let's look at all the new data. Got a zonal flow, very dry air mass. There's the water vapor satellite view and the visible satellite view there. You can see some high cirrus clouds kind of scooting through the southern half of the state, but just a gorgeous day. It's mostly sunny and very dry. We'll peek at the radar composite around the nation. Things are pretty calm today. And what a warm-up. Many spots were well down in the 30s this morning, but readings are close to 70 across the state today. Upper 60s for Huntsville, Birmingham, Montgomery, Dothan, Mobile, 71. Again, we're expecting mid-70s tomorrow and near 80 on Thursday. Here's a look at the watch warning map around the nation today. We have some winter weather issues out west. Winter storm watches posted for parts of Colorado, including Denver. They could be slammed with a lot of snow this week. Got some wind issues out in California. We note a marginal risk of severe storms through tonight for parts of Missouri and some of the adjacent states. Tomorrow, again, a chance of severe storms out across the nation's breadbasket. Omaha, Kansas City, down toward Tulsa, Oklahoma City, and extreme northeastern Texas. And then on day 3, which is Thursday, got a risk of severe storms in the broad region there from near Austin, Texas to Chicago, west of Alabama. No severe storms are forecast for Friday and the weekend at this point. Here's a look at the rain for the next 7 days and another big wet down for the Deep South. This is rain valid through Tuesday morning of next week. For most of the state, rain amounts in the 2 to 4 inch range. And the bulk of this will be along the way Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And understand it's not going to rain all weekend. But I'd say the 2 wetter days would be Friday and Sunday. Let's take a look at modeling. Model fans, here we go, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. A big trough in the west. Could bring some big snow to some of the mountains out there. But again, for us, we're still in good shape. We'll call it partly sunny, dry, mid-70s. This is Thursday. We might see a few showers creeping in here by mid to late afternoon on the western side of the state, but a decent chunk of the day will be dry. And again, we'll be close to 80. Showers will likely move in Thursday night, and Friday looks pretty wet. Rain and thunderstorms likely, kind of like the deal last Friday. Temperatures will be in the 70s, and certainly the chance of some thunder. Here's a look at the instability on Friday. There's some surface-based CAPE available, instability mainly for the southern half of the state, but the dynamic support really doesn't support a major severe weather problem. No tornado threat. If we were to see strong storms, the main issues would be hail and gusty winds, and even that's a low-end threat at this point, but certainly a wet day on Friday. So now the GFS kind of backing off on the rain on Saturday. This is Saturday at 4 o'clock, and if this is right, there could be a lull in the rain on Saturday, and I think that's probably the right concept. We're still certainly going to mention a chance of showers on Saturday, but certainly not raining all day. The sun might peek out at times Saturday afternoon, and the day should be pretty pleasant, highs in the low 70s in most spots, the better chance of showers over the southern half of the state. But then Sunday, we go wet again with the next wave. And again, don't think we have any severe storms, just a lot of rain. So the bottom line is the wetter days seem to be Friday and Sunday. Still, understand, yes, a chance of showers Saturday, but again, maybe we'll get away with a decent chunk of Saturday being dry. The high Sunday will be close to 70 in most spots. And then Monday, the rain is gone. We'll expect a clearing and colder day. Highs in the 50s for the northern half of the state, 60s for South Alabama, pretty good north breeze. And a week from today, Tuesday, March 19th, a northwest flow aloft and a pretty chilly air mass for mid-March. Pretty good chance we're going to see another freeze in here, late season freeze for the northern half of the state a week from today, Tuesday morning of next week, the 19th. And we might see one Wednesday morning, the 20th as well. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday, March 22nd. You see a short wave coming in with a chance of rain again. So at this point, the first half of next week looking very cool and dry, and then rain returning late in the week, probably late Thursday into Friday. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean about 2.5 to 3 inches between now and the 27th of March. Temperatures coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. 74 tomorrow. The big 80. Thursday, warmest day of the year for most places. And then low 70s Friday, Saturday, upper 60s on Sunday. And note the drop-off early next week. And again, this is for Birmingham and the city. The outlying areas will be colder. 34 Tuesday morning, 37 Wednesday morning of next week. And many spots will likely see a freeze over the northern half of the state on those mornings. So again, growers beware. And then we bounce back into the upper 60s late next week. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for March 20th through March 26th. Temperatures still a little below average if this verifies. So I had to show, just a few quick little video hits, what's going on this date in 1993, the beginning of the great blizzard of 93. This video was taken the next day on Saturday, March 13th. It started Friday night the 12th, continued to Saturday morning the 13th, and it was pretty wild. We had Birmingham's official total was 13 inches, and that's some of the lower amounts. Some spots had 2 feet. The drifts were 4 to 5 feet. Basically our snowstorm of record here. Convective snow, thunder, lightning, visibility down to almost zero in the middle of that night, that Friday night. Some people had no power for weeks after this. In the middle of March, it had been 70 a few days before this. And after the snow event, we got down to 2 degrees above zero on Sunday, March 14th, as the sky cleared out and the snow cover was still down. For those that are old enough to remember, we all have blizzard stories. Hey, let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. A lunchroom full of 6th graders. I like it. I like it down in Elmore County, Holtville Middle School. Ooh, look at the goodie basket. Cookies, baseball shirt, wrestling shirt. Man, that's a good-looking tie right there, too. Love those Holtville Bulldogs, 6th graders. We had a great time today talking about science. Of course, they endured that EF3 tornado last January in that part of the state, but had a marvelous time today. Great teachers, great students. So again, to all my buddies at Holtville Middle School, thanks a lot for a marvelous visit. You guys are looking good. So tomorrow, I will be in Calhoun County, Oxford Elementary School for a program there. And then Thursday, Green Valley Elementary in Hoover. Friday, Thorsby High School in Chilton County. And then Saturday, it's a book signing. We're going to be at the Union Jack Cafe in Rainbow City, and that is a great place. We've been there before. We're going to be there from 10 until 1. We'll have all the books and the shirts and all the cool stuff. We take a pile of pictures, have a lot of fun. If you've never been to one of these, they're just great. So book signing, Rainbow City, Etowah County, right next door to Gadsden. So if you're in Northeast Alabama, come see us Saturday at the Union Jack Cafe from 10 until 1. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.